everyone, this is a California Exotic Hardwoods showing you the best quality East Indian Rosewood. So over here you can see the finest quality East Indian Rosewood crotch pattern on it. You can see the fiddle back, curly grains and everything with a stress color on it, a vibrant color. Over here you can see some fiddle back, some stress color over here. Over here you can see the wild patterns on it with a lot of stress color on there. And you can also see some unique guitar tops with a lot of unique colors. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut some drop tops for the electric guitars and solid body guitars. So if you guys looking for finest quality figured East Indian Rosewood tops for your solid body guitars or your bass guitars or your acoustic guitar tops with a wild pattern, wild figure, a lot of stress curls over here, a lot of curly grains over here, and we also able to supply you figured fingerboards. You guys looking for uniquely figured with a curly stress curl with a vibrant looking fingerboards for your custom projects or your woodworking projects for a custom cut, we can supply you a lot of crotch pattern figured curly grays, intensive curls over here. You can see here, and you can see the unique colors. Any of your woodworking projects, if you're looking for East Indian Rosewoods figured stuff, call us California Exotic Hardwoods and California Luthiers supplies. We also supply neck blanks, East Indian Rosewood, dead quarter sword, 30 inches length. If you guys looking for neck blanks or if you're looking for sides, call us California Luthiers supplies. We also able to supply you nice quality rosewood neck blanks right there. If anybody looking for fingerboards, neck blanks, backs and sides, figure tops, call us 714-929-1234. Thank you.